Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. The Sadak Suraksha Mitra program is initiated under which central ministry? A. Ministry of Home Affairs. B. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. C. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. D. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Correct answer is B. Question 2. What is the name of the portal launched by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs to strengthen transparency in the real estate sector? A. My House Portal. B. Unified RERA Portal. C. Real Estate Dashboard. D. Housing Compliance Portal. Correct answer is B. Question 3. Vishwamitra River that was recently seen in news flows through which state? A. Odisha. B. Rajasthan. C. Gujarat. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is C. Question 4. Which institution partnered with Guidance Tamil Nadu to launch the Innovation TN, India's first state-level startup and innovation dashboard? A. IIT Bombay. B. IIT Delhi. C. IIT Roorkee. D. IIT Madras. Correct answer is D. Question 5. Which two ministries have jointly launched the Swasth Nari Shashakt Parivar Abhiyan? A. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Ministry of Education. B. Ministry of Women and Child Development and Ministry of Rural Development. C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Ministry of Women and Child Development. D. Ministry of Social Justice and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Correct answer is C. Question 6. Which state recently launched the fifth phase of Mission Shakti to strengthen women's safety, dignity and self-reliance? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Gujarat. Correct answer is A. Question 7. Where is India's first freight village being developed? A. Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. B. Chandauli, Uttar Pradesh. C. Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. D. Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Question 8. The Native Food Matters initiative was launched at Govardhan Eco Village. The village is located in which state? A. Maharashtra. B. Gujarat. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Question 9. Which state government has launched the Khel Yatra textbook for class 6 teachers in September 2025? A. Gujarat. B. Haryana. C. Uttarakhand. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Question 10. Where was the first climate change learning lab of Haryana launched? A. Rohtak. B. Karnal. C. Panchkula. D. Kurukshetra. Correct answer is C. Question 11. Which organization has launched Yashoda AI, India's first artificial intelligence literacy campaign for rural women? A. National Commission of Women. B. National Council of Women in India. C. Women's India Association. D. Ministry of Women and Child Development. Correct answer is A. Question 12. Which state government has launched a plantation drive to plant 2.5 crore saplings in one day under the Haryalu mission in July 2025? A. Haryana. B. Rajasthan. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Gujarat. Correct answer is B. Question 13. Where was India's first artificial intelligence powered Anganwadi inaugurated? A. Punjab. B. Maharashtra. C. Gujarat. D. Haryana. Correct answer is B. Question 14. Which state has become the first in India to launch sabbatical leave scheme for its government employees? A. Assam. B. Uttarakhand. C. Sikkim. D. Odisha. Correct answer is C. Question 15. Which ministry has launched the Apna Ghar initiative to support truck drivers during long journeys? A. Ministry of Urban Development. B. Ministry of Home Affairs. C. Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. D. Ministry of Transport. Correct answer is C. Question 16. Where was the second edition of UN Women flagship capacity building program she leads to organized? A. New Delhi, B. Chennai, C. Hyderabad, D. Bengaluru. Correct answer is A. Question 17. Bharat Forecast System was developed by which institute? A. Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune. B. Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. C. Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. D. Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. Correct answer is A. Question 18. National Center for Disease Control functions under which ministry? A. Ministry of Science and Technology. B. Ministry of Ayush. C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is C. Question 19. Where is India's first green data center being established? A. Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. B. Indore, Madhya Pradesh. C. Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. D. Sonipat, Haryana. Correct answer is A. Question 20. Which ministry has launched the Adi Karmayogi program to bridge gap between tribal welfare policies and real implementation? A. Ministry of Rural Development. B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. C. Ministry of Home Affairs. D. Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Correct answer is D. Question 21. Which ministry has launched the Safai Apnao Bimari Bhagao campaign from 1 to 31st July 2025? A. Ministry of Urban Development. B. Ministry of Rural Development. C. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. D. Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Correct answer is C. Question 22. Where was the foundation stone for India's first national cooperative university laid? A. West Bengal. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Rajasthan. D. Gujarat. Correct answer is D. Question 23. Which state government has launched the Human Resource Management System portal for Uddami Mitra? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Punjab. C. Haryana. D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is A. Question number 24. Which state has launched India's first ever mining tourism initiative? A. Odisha. B. Bihar. C. West Bengal. D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is D. Question 25. What is the name of the anti-terror operation launched by the India's army that lead to the elimination of the Pahalgam attack mastermind? A. Operation Trinetra. B. Operation Mahadev. C. Operation Rakshak. D. Operation Suraksha. Correct answer is B. Thank you and I hope you like the video.